Welcome to a help video for group leaders using U3A Web. We will show you how to add a picture to your group page, and format it to make it look pleasing. To make your group page more interesting to viewers, the group leader, or web buddy, can add a picture of your choice to the group description. There are restrictions on the picture size, in kilobytes. For the picture to load in a reasonable time when viewing a page, the smaller the kilobyte size the better. It is suggested that pictures used in U3A Web should be no bigger than 500 kilobytes. To achieve this picture addition, the group leader, or the web buddy, should log into the U3A Web system, using their member number and password. Then navigate to the group list, via the left-hand menu system. From the group list, select your group by clicking on the title of the group. Click the multiple images icon at the top of the presented page. A pop-up window appears. Click the Choose File button. You are passed into the File Explorer function of your device. Navigate to where the required picture has been saved by you. Select the photo required, by clicking it once. Click the button marked Open. The file name of the selected picture will appear, next to the Choose File button. Type a description of the picture into this input field. Set the radio button to Standard Image. Click on the Submit Image button. The picture appears below. It will be in a list if there are more images already loaded. Click on the Copy File Name button. This will save you having to return to this step later. Click on the Return button. A new icon appears on your group page, as shown here, and we will deal with that later in this video. At this point, click on one of the two page editor icons, depending on where you wish to add your picture. The white speech bubble is for your main group page, and the red one for your second page, if you have enabled it. The selected page text editor is presented. Place your cursor at the point where you wish to add the selected picture. Click the Insert and Edit Image button. A pop-up appears, with the General tab selected. If you failed to copy the file path when you added the picture, then return to the previous stage, via the Multiple Images icon, and recopy the file name. Then return to this stage. Click your cursor in the source field. Then use your paste facility, for example Ctrl+V on the keyboard, to paste the path of the picture file within U3A Web. Type in a meaningful title for the picture, in this field. Type in the size required for the picture. We suggest around 200 in the first box will suffice. The second dimension field will retain the correct perspective. Click on OK. As you see here, the picture justifies to the left, and the text appears above and below it. We can now make the picture more pleasing to the eye, in relation to the text, by going back to the properties of the picture. Click and drag across the picture to highlight it in blue. Then click on the Add Edit Image icon again in the text editor. The image editor pop-up is shown again. Click the Advanced tab. You can format the position, and the style, of the picture, and how it interacts with the text, from the Style field. The next section tells you what you can type in this field, to change the appearance, and justification of the picture. To make the picture justify to the right with text floating around it, enter the following into the style field. Float, right semicolon, margin, 6px, semicolon. This looks quite effective on its own. Other style effects you can use are shown below, such as adding a border, and changing the border color. Pause the video here if you wish to read the settings. There are other styling effects that can be used. If you feel confident, then visit the website page shown below. www.w3schools.com/css/css3_images.asp. This input will display as follows. The picture is justified to the right. The text surrounds the picture, with a 6-pixel space between text and the image. And there is a red double border surrounding the image. As mentioned earlier, a new icon is also presented on your group page once an image is added. This allows the group to have a gallery of photos if required. If you click the black icon, the icon turns red, and a new button appears on the group page. Here is the icon now showing in red, meaning the gallery is turned on. A new button appears on the group page. Clicking it will show the viewer any photos uploaded to the group, in a gallery format. We hope this helps you to make your group page more appealing. Thank you for watching.